नमस्कारम, राम राम, वनक्कम, सत श्री अकाल। लेके प्रभु का नाम, लेट्स स्टार्ट। वेलकम to this channel, Metabolism Wala NEET. In today's video, we'll discuss how hard was this NEET 2022 paper and what must be the strategy for those who will prepare for NEET 2023. So, let's start. Each and every line of this paper was taken from NCERT and I will show that in my next video. But in today's video, we will discuss what questions were asked in this paper and how must you prepare for the next exam. So let's start with the most feared section, that is the physics section. Physics section consisted of mostly ratio type questions and they were greater than 10 in number. NCERT theory based questions, that is statement based questions, were also given and they were nearly 20 in number. There were more than 10 simple one-liner questions. There were no assertion reason questions. So the strategy for NEET 2023 aspirants must be to prepare for a worst case scenario with a hard physics paper and as many as assertion reason as possible. It is a possibility that this ratio type question may get replaced with assertion reason type question next year. Okay, so prepare in this way. You also need to have a clear concept and ability to solve difficult numericals. Okay, and for difficult numericals, you can consider NEET 2021 and NEET 2016 question paper. In chemistry section, there were 2 assertion reason, 15 statement based question and 11 numerical based question like that of the physical chemistry, 14 one-liner question and 6 organic reaction based question. And there was also 5 match the column type question. So the strategy for NEET 2023 aspirant must be to prepare again for the worst case scenario with as many as assertion reason and statement based question as possible. So you need to do NCERT correctly, you have to read NCERT correctly and also solve the exemplar side by side. In botany section, there were 2 assertion reason question, 20 statement based question, 25 one-liner question, 3 match the column type question. So the strategy for NEET 2023 aspirant must be to prepare for more and more statement based question and assertion reason based question. Okay. So for this you have to read your NCERT correctly and also solve the exemplar side by side. Okay. In the hardest zoology part, there were again 2 assertion reason question, 21 statement based question, 22 one-liner questions. There were 3 match the following type questions. So the strategy for zoology part will be again to read NCERT, understand the concepts and solve exemplar. This zoology part of NEET 2022 paper was the hardest part told by many students and my fellow NEET aspirants, and I also feel the same that this zoology part was the hardest part of this paper. So you have to prepare next time for a hard zoology paper. For preparing for a hard zoology paper, you have to understand the concepts clearly. For understanding the concepts, you can refer to videos on YouTube. Don't even refer to the modules. Those modules by different coaching institute have a lot of literature in them. All those literature are not required for a NEET aspirant. You have to understand that.
Have you memorized NCERT line by line?
Yes, memorized.
Arey, you didn't have to memorize it. Understand it na.
Barbad Zindagi. Bhaiya, exemplar solving is done. So should we do PYQs now? I have written one answer regarding these PYQs before 2022 OMR release on Quora. You can see that on your screen over here. For biology and chemistry, PYQs are no longer useful for NEET 2023 or 2024 examinations. But it is important for the physics section because in physics section, you can see the numericals are more or less the constant as given in 2021 and before that. So solve the PYQs correctly for physics formation question. The line was taken from the previous year question, and in the provisional answer key, the previous year question is given more importance than the NCERT. Okay, so solve the PYQ correctly. I will make you practice those PYQs in my next sessions. Okay, wait and watch. तो भैया हम करे तो करे क्या और बोले तो बोले क्या? I will provide all assertion reason and statement based question from each and every line of NCERT in physics, chemistry and biology. So you don't have to worry about that. For physics, just read NCERT, do PYQs and solve some authors' books. Chemistry, just read NCERT exemplar, and also the back exercises and the in between those examples of NCERT. And in biology, read only and only NCERT. You can watch some lectures on YouTube. Okay, now I will see how my subscribers won't get selected. Acha bhaiya, from where have you taken your coachings and how much marks are you scoring in NEET 2022 that you are giving so many gyans? You expect me to tell everything in one video? Go study. Before going, hear out my announcement. I will make videos on tricks and new pattern question like that of assertion reason and statement based questions alternatively. I will upload one video every 2 days. Like if I upload a video today, then I will upload another video 1 day later. So if I upload a video on tricks today, then after 1 day I will upload a video on assertion reason and statement based question. Okay, I will also provide some one-liner question that will be important for NEET 2023 and 2024. Okay, so bye.